Alright guys, Joester here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another electric bike video. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you'll notice that about a couple years ago I test drove one of these juice bikes, but this was the Scrambler Hyper, and it was so much fun, so much power on that bike.
Shit! 33 miles per hour! 34!
Now Juice Bikes is back with another new model. Now this is not as powerful as the Scrambler, but this is more comfortable. Oh man. No pedal. Careful. Brake.
Whoa.
Now, first off, what makes this so much comfortable is for example, in the front, the suspension fork. This makes a big difference, and also the big fat tires and the rear suspension coils. Now, in the rear, there's also two coils. So let me tell you guys, this is very comfortable. If you are out, if you're riding for a long period of time, this is going to make a huge difference. Also, look at the seats. This seat, it is very cushioning for the pushing. Let me tell you, this seat is super comfortable. Now, what I noticed is that the height of this bike, it is not that tall. So it is perfect for me. I am 5'9", so this is just to jump in is so easy. Very comfortable. And there is also a step through. This is also a step through. So if you are even shorter than me, this makes it a lot easier for anyone to just jump into the bike. Now, if you're taller, then they also have an additional, it's like an additional 2 inches of a seat. So that way it'll make it better for taller people. So they have different options. All right, so this is a controller. You can power up from right here in the back, and this is where you control how much power you want from the motor. So this is level 1. You can lower that to level Eco or 0, no assistance at all. Eco 1, 2, 3, S Sport, and RS reverse. No, I'm just kidding. I think this is racing, but my test drive, I feel like S and R are pretty much the same. So over here we have the Shimano Revo Shift 7-speed. You can change this real quick depending on how much you want to go. If you need to go faster or slower, uphill, anywhere, you can access to here real quick. USB, just in case if you are charging your phone, if you have your phone right here or some kind of accessory, you can use the power of your bike through this USB. This is very handy. Also, the brakes, these are hydraulic brakes, so of course you have a lot of brake power. This is very essential because this bike, it is kind of heavy, so you do need some really good braking assistance. It also comes with some nice fenders, aluminum fenders. They didn't make any noise, so I like that. Over here we have the disc brakes. They seem pretty nice. I'm not very familiar with disc brakes. They are made by TechPro. All right. And over here, guys, this is the headlight. Now, this headlight looks pretty awesome. This little ring lights up, and there's two, look like projectors inside. Actually, let me turn it on so you guys can see it. So to turn on the headlight, you just press and hold the plus button. There you go. Now the headlight, it is working and it is bright. Even right here, the middle of the day is very bright. Now in the rear tire, that's where we have the Bafang motor. I believe it is Bafang. Yes, it is. And this is what makes the whole ride so much fun. There's also the Shimano 7-speed cassette right over here. And that is pretty much it. Oh, well, there's also the battery. Of course, this is a 52 volt, 13 amp. And it is very capable. I like it. Oh, one more thing. They also come with alloy wheels. So if you like that, this bike comes with these heavy wheels. They look nice, but they're kind of heavy, and I heard they're also going to have the option for the spoke wheels, so just in case if you want something a little bit lighter. Another little detail I noticed, guys, is that when you press the brakes, the brake light turns on. it's not like a constant brake light that is always on. But if you turn on the headlights, also the brake light turns on, and when you press the brakes, it gets brighter. So that's a pretty nice detail. All right, guys, so enough for the aesthetics. Let's go and have some fun. Let's do this. All right, guys, we're gonna get into this bike, the Scorpion edition. I'm just gonna turn it on right here. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Battery light is on, the keys are on. We can use a throttle, which is goes like this. Oh boy, we're gonna test the throttle, pedal, and everything we can. So right now I have pedal assist level 1. You can feel the power. We can go uphill from here. Let's do the throttle here. Just going uphill. Just going uphill. Let's do pedal assist level 2, level 3. Yeah, we're gonna do some exercise. This is the R. Well, let me lower this to level 1. Oh my goodness. Do some braking. Man, the brakes are good. They are powerful. Pedestrians allowed right there. This is such a weird place to be. The handlebars feel very good. They're very sticky, very grippy. I like that. Let's put it on level 3. I'm gonna go here. Oh man. Even though I'm getting some assistance, I can still feel my legs burning, you know? That's a cool thing about e-bikes. You're still working out. It's not as much as if I was to just have a regular bike, but you can still feel that burn in your legs.
Did you bike here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is an e-bike.
What?
Watch, try it real quick. Just try it. Watch. You can go up here. Just don't fall. Just this is a throttle. You can go like this. It goes like that.
What?
Or you can also pedal. When you pedal, you also have power here, so you have the motor that helps you pedal more. These are the brakes, okay? Here, front and rear. I use both. No, just do no, the other way. Like this. Sí, pero primero haz el throttle a little bit and then you start pedaling. No, pedal. Careful. Brake, brake, brake.
Whoa. Whoa. It's freaky.
This is super comfortable. Very, very comfortable ride. This is pretty much to enjoy. Let's go uphill. Level assistant S Sport. So we're going uphill. Oh, so nice. This is just like a little park. Oh man. You can take this to work.
I know, yeah, exactly.
Man, that uphill feels really good.
Were you gonna go that way? Or
Yeah, that way. Bye. Wow. It is a workout, guys. I'm telling you. It is a freaking workout. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Trying to hit the brakes. I like to use both brakes. Now keep in mind these are hydraulics. They're not mechanical brakes. So they are much better. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had so much fun with this bike. It is highly recommended, especially if you're looking for something more comfortable. If you're looking for speed, I would recommend the Scrambler, but for comfort, this bike, it is amazing. Super comfortable. The suspension makes a huge difference. The seat, the height, everything I enjoy about this bike. It also says that it can reach up to 28 miles per hour. But you know, honestly, after I tried so hard to reach that speed, I was able to only reach 25 miles per hour. But like I said, this is meant for comfort, not for speed. Also, I was reading that the range is around 45 miles of range. So the range is going to depend on how you use the bike. Depending if you're going uphill, if you're going downhill, how much you weight, if you're using the throttle more than the pedal assist. So it has a lot of variance, so make sure just keep that in mind. This has 750 watt motor, so it does have a kick, but it doesn't have that torque, that hard torque that the hyper models have. So also keep that in mind. So let me know if you guys have any more questions. So far this has been a very comfortable and cool ride. The bike weighs 100 pounds, so it is very kind of heavy. 100 pounds with the battery and 90 pounds without the battery, so just consider that as well. And it also has a weight capacity of 275 pounds, so ooh, I can barely I weigh like 240, so I was barely kicking that. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Joester out. Wow.